you're here. Welcome to Hot Wheels Unlimited. You know what we're all about here. Awesome cars, crazy challenges, and building the coolest tracks around. Right? Right. So first up, you're gonna wanna head over to Hot Wheels City, where there's a trunkload of challenges to test your skills. Win a challenge, get a wheel. Win enough of them, and bam, you've got a shiny new ride. All right. Awesome of you to join us. Let's tackle some challenges, yeah? Fan of the H-Dub City? Me too. Choose a car and smash that race button. There's no way I'm losing this one. Let's go. Stand a chance, did I? Red wheel coming up. Challenge clear.